everybody, it's Miss Carrie from Bridgeville in South Fayette Township Library, and today it's time for Treat Yourself Fridays. So what we're doing today is making a blueberry streusel mug recipe. So let's see what you'll need. So what you'll put in first is your 4 tablespoons of flour. You'll next put in 1/8 baking soda, 1/16 baking soda, stir. You'll need 2 teaspoons of sugar, stir that up, 3 tablespoons of milk, half of a tablespoon of vegetable oil, and then you want to take 8 blueberries and put them in, and then mix them all up too. Okay, once you have that mixed up, now we're going to make the streusel part. What you'll want for the streusel is you'll want a half tablespoon of butter, cold. You want 3/4 tablespoon of flour. You'll need a tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and then you need 1/16 cinnamon. Then you gotta mix this all up. And then this is going to go on top of your mug recipe. And you want it to be distributed somewhat evenly. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the microwave for 1 minute and then see if it's cooked to what I like. If not, then I'm going to continue to put it in the microwave in 15-second increments. And now comes the time where I get to try out this awesome recipe. So let's see what it tastes like. Guys, this is delicious. You should totally try this recipe out if you have not yet, but it's just absolutely phenomenal. The hardest part of this entire recipe was getting all of the flour and everything to mix together, because I still had some at the bottom of my mug, so I really had to mix that up. But other than that, this was a super easy recipe to do. It didn't take much time at all or effort, which is awesome. That's what you want in a mug recipe. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you'll join us next week for our art journal prompts for May, and have a good rest of the week.